Adhotoda vasica is a well-known medicinal plant. This dense shrub with a yellowish bark grows to a height of 1.2 to 2.4 meters with many long ascending branches. The elongated lanceolate leaves are dark green above and paler beneath. The white flowers are borne in short dense axillary spikes. Medicinal use: 1. Bronchitis. 2. For the early stages of leprosy. 3. Good for cleansing the blood of its impurities. 4. Asthma, sore eyes, conjunctivitis, and gonorrhea. 5. Checking fever, vomiting and loss of memory. 6. Helps in the early stages of leucoderma and jaundice. 7. Tumours and diseases of the mouth. 8. For abortion. 9. Dysuria, painful and difficult urination. How to use: 1. The decoction of the root is useful in treating bronchitis, asthma, vomiting, sore eyes, fevers and gonorrhea. The decoction of the fruit also helps in taking care of bronchitis. 2. The decoction of the leaves promotes menstrual flow and is useful in gonorrhea. 3. The decoction of the flowers purifies the blood and improves its circulation. It also checks painful and difficult urination and jaundice. 4. The decoction of the leaves and roots of this plant is considered as a very efficacious remedy which is normally administered along with ginger for all sorts of coughs. 5. The decoction of the leaves is used to cure rheumatism. 6. The dried leaves are rolled into the form of cigarettes and smoked to cure asthma. 7. The juice extracted from the leaves is used for diarrhea and dysentery. 8. The leaves, roots and especially the flowers are antispasmodic and have those qualities which prevent or cure spasms. 9. The bitter juice from the leaves is administered in infusion to expel worms from the body. 10. The fresh flowers are used in ophthalmia, the severe inflammation of the eye conjunctiva. Parts used: the roots, leaves, flowers and fruits.